Okay. This is the most exciting rack of 8-ball ever played, and also the greatest rack of 8-ball ever played. This is Chris Melling from England at the pool table. This particular rack is incredible. In the history of the world, there has been an estimated 700 million racks of 8-ball played. This is the greatest of them all. Let's watch. So here he is. He's at the table. He's breaking. And he breaks, and let's see, I think he makes a ball. That means he's able to go again. Okay. And so now he measures out the pink ball into the right upper hand corner. Let me show you what I mean here. He calls it, and now he gets down, and let's pause it. This white ball is going to clip the edge of this pink ball and back cut it into this pocket. Watch this. This is sick. Whoa. That's incredible. But now he's got a problem. He's got a big problem. Here it is in slow motion. Repeat. There it is. Incredible. But now, here's the problem. You see, his white ball is here. He's snookered and eclipsed by this ball here. But the only ball that's, I don't know if it's doable, but it's near a pocket, is all the way down here. This blue ball is right near this pocket. But he can't see it. So what is he to do? Let's see. Hold it. He's got to be kidding me. There's no freaking way that he's jacking up his cue stick to play a complete swerve masse, meaning missing this blocking ball, coming out over here, and then the last second swinging around and potting this blue ball. I doubt it. Come on. Whoa. Oh boy, that was a great shot. That was, wow. Huh. I guess this rack can't get much better than that, huh? Here it is. Wow. Wow. So here he goes. Basic shot, orange all the way down. He's got a nice little window for the green in the center pocket. There it is, nice and easy. Sets him up beautifully for the brown in the center as well. That's wonderful. He's got one more ball, a yellow ball. Oh, he's in trouble. He's in big trouble. What the hell is he doing? Notice, friends, that he put his cue right over here and that he's standing over here. So he's sighting. He's looking at the entire table. But why? Why is he standing here, putting his cue right there, and looking at the entire table? I'm going to tell you why. You're not going to believe this. This yellow ball refuses to pass the black in the corner. The black is taking up too much of the path for the yellow to go. But this genius at the table sees something. What does he see? He sees that if he puts the yellow ball on this little cushion, that it should come up over here, right? Come up over there, miss every ball, and come out and go in. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Oh, he calls the yellow in that pocket. Now let's see this again. Here it is. It misses every ball and it goes that way. Oh my God. Leaving him an easy black. Oh, let's listen to the commentators.
That is all time from Chris Melling.
Oh my gosh. And he made two shots. He made the first, the run out, he clipped the first ball, come over and kissed his 13 and made the 5 or whatever that ball was. Then the next one, he had the long masse, Then he got the, oh man, that's
And look, even his opponent, Mika Eminem, you know, this is all or nothing here. This is the winners on to the final 16, the losers out without a paycheck. And even his opponent, Mika Eminem, is so impressed he came over and shook his hand.
we go watch a highlight reel here. Okay, he clips this one. This is to start the rack. Dead hooks himself. Okay, here's the next one. Oh my gosh, that was unbelievable right there. Okay, now here we go.
This is insane.
Oh my gosh, that's unbelievable. I'll tell you what, I might kill myself if somebody made that on
You
me.
hear that?
How did he do that?
Yeah. The commentator said I might kill myself if someone did that. Really incredible stuff. If that doesn't get you excited about pool, nothing will. This is Bernie Friend, 8-ball champion.